to the bed. In my head. Why won't somebody come and save me from this? Make it end. I feel it deep within. It's just beneath the skin. I must confess.
So this is my I need to show you this one. I do the dog. Your dog, so I can let you. If you like walking a dog, or if you have dogs at home and your dog's hurting you, so like your dogs are gonna maybe barking at this or barking at something like that. It's passing out here. Is there a dog outside? Oh, where's the dog? Dogs.
Somebody come and save me from this. Make it end. I feel it deep within. It's just beneath
Dogs,
the
I knew if I was in your neighborhood, what neighborhood you guys live in? If I was in your neighborhood and I actually sound like a dog, how many times would you try to be pissed thinking it's a dog, really it's me, or you making a whole chain of dogs start barking for no reason? And yes, I lost sound like a dog. Right about now. That's my good dog sounds. Also, by the way, I might be sounding to me the wolf howling sometimes at night. Alright, that's my voice. Sounding a dog howling at the moon every night. Well, every night, whenever the full moon happens, I try to howl at the moon, confuse my neighbors, and almost dog pounds or whatever coming in to take a dog. Really, it's just me. I'm acting, so I just trick them, and they're hating this. Anyway, bye.